Hi guys, in today's video we have a gorgeous breakfast item or even late afternoon brunch. We have a beautiful French toast, so very basic ingredients needed for this. What we're going to be using is 4 slices of day-old bread. We have some eggs, milk and vanilla. So again, back to the bread here, you can use any type of bread. I have a brioche bread here, and again, it's always important to leave it out or let it, if it is stale or it goes a little bit harder, it's better because it soaks up the liquid, much better if it's a little bit older. Again, a very simple but tasty breakfast brunch dish. So let's get started on this one. Now, for the French toast soaking liquid, this really couldn't get any simpler. We are adding in 3 whole eggs and our milk. That also gets added in, and a little dash of vanilla. So essence or extract, depending what you have at home, either or is fine. Into this also, what you can do is just add, for a bit of sweetness, is a little drizzle of Irish honey. You can also get creative at this point. You can add in some little bit of almond essence if you want. You can add in some spices like cinnamon or mixed spice or nutmeg works really well. And what we're going to do is just whisk this together until you have a lovely soaking liquid. And that's what we are going to soak our brioche in. So I have added my egg mix to a little kind of a roasting tray or a baking tray, whatever you have. I find the shallower it is, the better, and the more bread you can get in. So then back to our bread here. As I said earlier, this is a lovely brioche. If you don't have brioche at home, that's completely fine. You can use any white bread that you have. Again, the whole point of French toast is to use up old bread, and it's going to soak up this gorgeous liquid. So I'm going to take this now, and I'm going to pop those in to our egg mixture, and I'm going to let them soak for about a minute on each side. I'm going to turn that over after a minute and let it soak for another minute, just to soak up as much of those delicious flavours as possible. And then I have my pan preheating with just a little bit of oil and butter, and I'm going to fry these off. While my brioche is soaking, I'm going to make a really quick and really fast berry compote to go with the French toast. So you can use fresh berries or you can use frozen, depending what you have at home. So into my little pot here, I'm using some frozen berries today. I am just going to add in, this is a mixture, like a fruit of the forest mixture here. I'm going to add this into my pot, and these again can be a little bit tart, so I'm just going to put in a small little pinch of sugar just to sweeten those up, and I'm going to cook that down for about 5 minutes until it thickens up slightly and goes a little bit jammy. So I have heated up my little skillet pan here with some vegetable oil or rapeseed oil, whatever you have at home, and a little knob of butter. So this is now nice and hot, and I'm going to get 2 slices of my French toast into the pan here, again with clean hands, and we are going to fry that for about 2 minutes on each side until it's golden brown. So now our French toast has been cooking for about a minute. Oh, beautiful, as you can see, on each side, and we're just going to turn that over and again cook that for about another minute or so, just to ensure that it is fully cooked. If you are a little bit concerned, you're not 100% sure whether your French toast is fully cooked in the middle with the egg, don't be afraid to pop it into the oven, a warm oven, for about 5 minutes just to finish it off. So that is our French toast cooked on both sides. I'm just going to put these onto our plate here. I'm going to move this out of the way. So as you can see here, that is our delicious French toast. Beautiful golden brown colour on both sides, and then just a spoon of the berry compote on the side. It really, oh, it's nice and hot, doesn't get much tastier than that. So I think to finish that off, again, just a little drizzle of Irish honey, and that is the most delicious breakfast in bed or late lunch that you can have. So I hope you enjoy that one, folks.